We had a breach. I thought I was finished with this job a few weeks ago, and then it went back in. It got back in. That's a pretty heavy duty repair I did, but I guess it worked at that. You can see. I mean, it really worked at that. There you go. Hopefully you can get, there it is. Man, it thrashed. It tore that up, and you can see the insulation. So, and then you can see the insulation on the ground where it's coming down. And then right here, I'm hoping this is the only one. Oh wow, it tried to get out too. I had these sticks because these traps are terrible. These traps are terrible. They're really weak. They made these Haverhearts like really bad. I gotta change distributors. There's another trap type that I'm gonna start buying because these are really cheap. How they made these. So disappointed. They were in the box, and I just figured they'll be like all the other ones I purchased. It's just so flimsy. Look at that door. It's just so flimsy how I could just push. So I put some sticks in there so it wouldn't squeeze out, but it tore up these sticks. I'm so fortunate to have caught this one, because sometimes you'll get an invader in the house, and those raccoons will not go into the trap. They're like smart. I have a couple houses like that where they won't go into the trap. So hopefully I'm gonna have to keep this one. It could be a mother. Hopefully it didn't have a litter up there of kits. So I'm gonna keep this for a couple days. By law, we can only keep these for 48 hours. You know, feed it, keep it in there for 48 hours, and see if the homeowner hears any noise up there from the kits crying out. I'm just hoping there's none in there, because getting that attic is really tough. It's really tough to get in there. You have to crawl in there. It's a really tough crawl space attic, so to do a rescue is going to be really difficult. All right then. Should have done a better repair. I mean, I did 2 layers of 19 gauge wire, but I guess it just tore that right up. So I gotta use wood. Next time I come back, I'm gonna put wood and then wire. I'm not gonna mess around. Learn my lesson. Hey buddy, I hope you're the one. He's not now. See if it's not nasty. He's not snapping at me. Hope he didn't have any babies. Hope he didn't have any babies.